What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be doing the finishing touches on the engine bay. I'm going to get it ready for paint, and I'm going to get it sprayed. So I ran to Lowe's and I got some of this Rust-Oleum high performance enamel in gloss white. I also got some cans of automotive primer, and I got some drop cloths as well. Got the subframe covered. I'm getting these guys covered up as well. All right, well, been cleaning up the frame and I've been spraying as I go. Almost done, just got this small section and that corner back there. Then the primer will be done and I can start painting. What's going on, guys? It's day 2 now. Yesterday I did all the priming and today I'm gonna get the paint done. So let's get started on that. All right, it's all sprayed, so now I just have to wait for it to cure. Then I can start replacing some of those components that were burned up. Out with the old and in with the new. Well, guys, that wraps it up for this video. Thanks again for tuning into the chassis rework process. We're almost done with the chassis, and then we can start working on the engine work, and that's going to be more exciting. So stay tuned for that. I'll catch you guys in the next one.